Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let me show you what a coaster step looks like. I'm going to do a right coaster step, so my weight's on my left foot. I'm going to take my right foot back, bring my left foot together, and step forward on my right. If I was to do a left coaster step, my weight would start on the right, taking my left foot back, together, forward. Let me do that to counts. 1 and 2. Or with my left, it would be a 1 and 2. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.